Hey, fabulous math teachers. Leslie Edwards, your math coordinator here. How many of you love having tests in Eduphoria where you can quickly see data, look at student progress, but hate having to make your own test because 1, it takes forever to copy and paste all of the questions into images to import, or even if you can get past that point, they still end up looking like this. So blurry that the students don't even know what it's asking. Well, Eduphoria will let you enter equations as long as you know how to code. What? You don't know how to code? Well, guess what? I don't either, but there is an easy solution. EquatIO is a program that will code any equation for you and can be transferred into Eduphoria very simply. EquatIO is a free download that can be used on any device or can be used as a Chrome extension. You simply need to add it to your computer and then you are ready to start. Take a second, go to the website listed here, press pause, and then when you're ready, come back and watch the next clip and it'll show you how easy it is. Hey everyone, so this is what it's going to look like when you get to the EquatIO. When you're here, you're going to click New Space. And down here at the bottom are all the tools that we're going to be using. This right here, the equation editor, is just standard what you have seen in any Microsoft Word document. You can type in any equation that you want, any deal over here, or how you would get to your operators if you want a subscript, superscript, square roots, those kind of, here's your pi symbols. Over here, you can just type anything that you want. Here's the problem. So if I had this question right here, which expression is equivalent to 2m parentheses 3/2 m plus 1 plus 3 5/3 m minus 2? Well, that looks real nice, neat, and pretty in that format, but that's not what it's going to look like in Eduphoria unless we come over here. So 2m parentheses 3/2, going to make sure I go over for the 1 plus 3 parentheses 5/3 m minus 2. So here's my equation. I've typed it in. The other thing you can do this handwriting tool, which is really neat. You could just type in, you could draw over it with the mouse, and it would automatically put it over here. So now that I have my equation, what I want to come to get the code is this LaTeX. This is the code that you're going to use. So you click this button, and it magically takes everything I had right here, puts it into the code that Eduphoria is going to recognize. So right here, we are going to copy this, right click or just Control C. I'm going to go back to Eduphoria, but remember my question said which expression is equivalent. So I'm going to come over here. Here's my question. I'm going to edit it. So the text is now going to say which expression is equivalent to. Now I'm ready to insert my function. So here's all you're going to do. Backslash parentheses. I'm going to paste using Control V. There it is. Backslash close parentheses. Put a question mark. And then right here, we are finished. Which expression is equivalent to 2m parentheses 3/2 m plus 1, exactly as it was on here. To do your responses, notice over here, these aren't so hard, but if you want the nice italicized equations, you would just do the same thing. You would come back over here to your equation. Over in the math column, I'm going to type in 3m squared, I don't remember it exactly, plus 3m minus 1. Over here, it already gives you your, just like what you would need. So I'm going to copy that, come over here, edit my answer choices, response 1, paste, but don't forget, you have to put in the backslash open parentheses, backslash close parentheses, finished. There you have it. That's all you need to do to be able to put equations in Eduphoria just like you would in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tip helpful and that you can use it when creating teacher-made tests in Eduphoria. Remember, keep making mathematicians one solution at a time.